All right, so I'm going to show you how to take a spreadsheet like this one, which is my spreadsheet that I have created, and we are going to share it as a link into this spreadsheet, which is shared by Jennifer O'Connor, case manager. That way you can control who has access to your spreadsheet, and you're only updating one spreadsheet at a time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to the URL. I'm going to hit Control C or right click and you can go to copy. I'm going to go to the spreadsheet that I need to enter it into. And if I was just going to find that one, I would go to what's been shared with me in my drive, and the spreadsheet that I want to enter into, I would just simply open it. So that's this one right here. So down here, she has just one tab. I'm going to hit the little plus button. I'm going to rename the tab APE. And now I'm going to prepare a space to put that link so it's nice and clear. So I'm just going to highlight several of the cells. There's a merge button right here. You can quickly just merge them all together. So now it's just one solid cell. So we're going to take the link that we copied from our own sheet. We're going to go into the sheet on the new tab we've created. We're going to then go to Insert, Link, and I'm just going to do a Control V for paste, or you can do right click and paste. Either way works. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Let's do Insert, Link, Control V, that paste, that means paste. And now I can call the sheet whatever I want. So this is COSA APE e-learning log. I hit apply. So now there's that link. I'm just going to make it nice and big. Center it because everything has to be centered in my world. So now there's that link, and when she clicks on that link, it's going to take her back to my spreadsheet. But I don't have to go into this spreadsheet ever again to update the information. I simply continue to update mine. Now, if I go to the share, I have to tell it who I want it to be shared with. So, for example, I'm going to get shareable link. There's a whole bunch of options here. So when you click on more, you have anyone within the school district can view it. You can change it to edit. You can change it to comment. I keep everything in view unless I'm specifically working on a project. I'm going to click sharing off, even though I'm telling it that it can be shared. So this means only specific people can see it. As you can see, there's a bunch of different options here. So this creates the highest amount of restriction to the spreadsheet. I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to type in the case manager's name. There's Jennifer O'Connor. And I'm going to say link to adaptive e-learning in tab APE. And then I would hit send. Now that means when she goes into this and she hits the link here. If she were to take this, copy it, and send it off to somebody else and say, hey, look at what Coz is doing, they're not going to have access to it. At least that's the concept. They should not have access to it because I did not give them access to it. But whoever she gives access to on her spreadsheet will be able to see the link, but once it takes them to the page, it will request access and they should not have access. So hopefully that helps.